Market Update, navigating August 5th, 2024. The market update for Monday, August 5th, 2024, reveals a challenging day for the financial markets. Investors and traders should remain vigilant as various market indices and currencies display significant movements. This comprehensive update provides insights into key market segments and offers advice on navigating this volatile environment. Dow Jones Industrial Average, a significant drop. The Dow Jones Industrial Average closed down by 600 points, marking a substantial decline. This drop reflects a broader negative sentiment in the market, driven by recent economic data and persistent investor concerns. It's essential for traders to monitor these developments closely as they may signal further volatility. Nasdaq enters correction phase. The Nasdaq has officially entered a correction phase following a weak jobs report released last Friday. This report has intensified worries about the robustness of the economic recovery, leading to cautious investor behavior. The correction phase indicates a drop of at least 10% from its recent peak, underscoring the need for strategic investment decisions. Currency movements, diverse trends. Australian dollar. The Australian dollar is expected to maintain a strong bias to the downside. Various factors, including recent economic data and global market trends, contribute to this bearish outlook. Traders should consider these elements when making currency exchange decisions involving the AUD. Japanese yen. Conversely, the Japanese yen is anticipated to have a strong upwards bias. Amidst the current market volatility, investors are gravitating towards safe haven assets, and the yen is benefiting from this trend. This upward momentum makes the JPY a potentially attractive option for those seeking stability. Stock market indices, mixed signals. SPY and QQQ. The SPY and QQQ are expected to exhibit a downward bias in the coming days. Traders should keep a close eye on these indices as they react to broader market conditions and economic reports. Understanding these movements can help in making well-informed investment choices. Dow and gold. On the flip side, the Dow and gold are predicted to have an upward bias. Gold, in particular, is often seen as a refuge during times of market uncertainty, and it appears to be attracting significant investor interest. This trend suggests that investors are hedging against market risks by turning to gold. Final thoughts: stay informed and cautious. The market landscape as of August 5th, 2024, suggests a cautious approach. It's crucial to use this information for educational purposes and always conduct thorough research before making any trading decisions. The financial markets can be unpredictable, and staying informed is key to navigating these turbulent times successfully. If you found this content helpful, we encourage you to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, All Things Money. Here, you can find more informative content like this to guide and transform your trading journey. Remember, informed decisions are the foundation of successful trading. By following the above market insights and staying updated with the latest economic data, investors can better manage their portfolios and navigate the complexities of the financial markets.
As always, do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel, All Things Money, to see more content like this.